WhatsApp is one of the most used instant messaging apps out there. It has indeed made messaging very easy because of its cool and latest features. And the app keeps rolling out new features every other day. Well, did you know that WhatsApp has a hide your personal message feature as well? Yes, you heard that right. You can actually hide your personal and private chats that you don't want others to see in just a few simple steps. So through this video, we'll explain you a step-by-step process on how you can hide your personal chats on WhatsApp. So to hide your chats, you can take the help of archive feature on WhatsApp. What you have to do is to first open your WhatsApp account. After this, press and hold the chat you want to hide, following which you'll see many options on the screen of your smartphone. Here you have to select the option of archive. By clicking on this option, your chat will go to the archive section, after which it won't be visible in the list of your WhatsApp chats. So by following these steps, you can easily hide your personal and private chats on WhatsApp. Well, we hope you like this video. For more such content, do like and subscribe to our channel India.com.